Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss an important topic from the chapter Acids, Base and Salt. The topic is pH of acid and base. How we can measure the strength of acid and base. We are going to discuss that in this session. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Visit our website www.winpointonlineclasses.com. Support us for providing free online classes to everyone. Let's start the discussion. Strength of an acid or base solution. Can we measure the strength of an acid and base? Yes, we can measure the strength. For that, there is a specially made scale. That scale is known as pH scale. Strength of acid or base determined by the concentration of H plus ion in the solution. If a solution is containing more number of H plus ion, it is a strong acid. If a solution is containing less number of H plus ion, it will be less acid, maybe it will be basic solution. We are going to discuss that now. pH scale. For measuring the strength of acid and base, we have a special scale. That scale is known as pH scale. The scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration. We are measuring the hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. We are taking a solution and we are measuring the hydrogen ion concentration. If the hydrogen ion concentration is more, then it will be a strong acid. If the hydrogen ion concentration is less, it will be weak acid, maybe it will be a base. Here you can see the pH scale. It is pH scale and you can see the different colors, right? And the values are varying from 0 to 14. 0 to 14. If pH equal to 7, if the pH value, if we are measuring pH value using indicators, a universal indicator will give different colors in different solution. According to that color change, we can find the value. If the color of solution, when we are using this pH solution in the universal indicator, when we are using the universal indicator, if the solution is giving green color, then it will be neutral. pH equal to 7, neutral. It is not acid and base, it is neutral solution. If pH value is less than 7, it will be an acid. If pH value is more than 7, it will be base. So here you can see the measurement. If pH equal to 7, it is neutral, right? And if the pH value is less than 7, it is acid. If pH value is more than 7, it is base. Importance of pH in everyday life. So pH means we are measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. If the value of pH is 7, it is a neutral solution. If the value of pH is less than 7, it is an acidic solution. If the value of pH is more than 7, it is a basic solution. Now we are going to discuss why we are using this pH scale. What is the importance of pH in our daily life? Importance of pH in everyday life. Importance of pH in plants and animals. In our body also there is a pH range, and plants are also required a specific range of pH, then only they can survive. Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. Our pH range is 7 to 7.8, neutral to basic, right? 7 means neutral, 7.8 means slightly basic. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. If there is a small variation in pH also, it will affect our body. So pH measurement is very important. Plants also require a specific range of pH. Then only plants can grow. For fishes also, the water should have a specific range of pH. Then only the aquatic life is possible in water. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, then it is known as acid rain. Acid rain will cause so many problems. When acid rain flows into the river, it lowers the pH of the river water. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. So these are the importance of pH in plants. Now we can discuss importance of pH in our digestive system. Here you can see the digestive system, right? It is stomach. Our stomach produces an acid. That acid is hydrochloric acid. It will help to digest the food. So hydrochloric acid is producing in our stomach to help the digestion. The hydrochloric acid is produced by the body for the digestion of food. At the time of indigestion, if you are taking over food, if you are taking a heavy amount of food, that time there will be indigestion. That time the stomach produces large amount of hydrochloric acid. It will cause acidity. Stomach produces hydrochloric acid for digestion of food. during indigestion, stomach produces too much amount of hydrochloric acid, it will harm your stomach. So what will be the solution? We already learned about neutralization, right? If there is an acid, if you are adding a base, it will cancel the properties of acid, right? It is known as neutralization, reaction between an acid and base, that is neutralization. In our stomach, if the acidity is more, we can take a base. To get rid of this pain, we are taking antacids. Antacid means it is anti-acid base. We are taking base. This base will neutralize the excess acid. Normally we are taking milk of magnesia. To get rid of this pain, people will take antacid like milk of magnesia, which will neutralize excess amount of acid. So neutralization is also having large importance in our life. If acidity of stomach is more, we are having antacid, which is anti-acid, opposite of acid bases like milk of magnesia. This milk of magnesia is a base. It will neutralize excess amount of acid in our stomach. pH and tooth decay. The hardest material in our body is tooth enamel. Because of this pH change, the tooth enamel also get corroded because the pH range is changing. Our mouth is acidic, but if the pH value is less than certain value, there will be corrosion. We are going to discuss that. Tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the body. Tooth enamel, we all are having this tooth enamel. It is a covering of our teeth. So this is the hardest substance in our body. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. If the pH is less than 5.5, it is an acid, right? So tooth decay will start. The best way to prevent this to clean the mouth after eating food. That's why all are saying before going to bed you need to brush your teeth. What is the importance of toothpaste in our life? Toothpaste are basic. If the pH of mouth it is less than 5.5, it is acidic. This toothpaste will neutralize the excess acid in our mouth, so it is useful. That's why we need to brush our teeth 2 times per day, morning and after dinner. Toothpaste are generally basic in nature. It will neutralize excess amount of acid present in the mouth. Self-defense by animals. This honeybee and ant, when they are biting you, when they are stinging you, that time you will get pain, right? What is the reason? They are small organisms, right? But when they are attacking you, you will get pain. The reason is they are injecting acid to our body. They are injecting acid like formic acid, methanoic acid to our body. That's the reason for that pain. Bee sting leaves an acid, formic acid, which causes pain and irritation. So what we can do for get rid of this pain? It is acid, right? So we can use a base. The base we are using, it is soap solution we can use. Sometimes we can use baking soda, baking powder, sodium carbonate. We can use base to get rid of this pain. Example, baking soda. We can use baking soda here because when honeybee is stinging you, bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, you can use this baking soda, which is a base. So there will be reaction between acid and base. They will neutralize each other. Self-defense by plants. Nettle plant is having stinging leaves. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid causing burning pain. So what we can do here also we can use baking soda to neutralize that acid. These are nettle plants. If you like this video, please share this video, subscribe to my channel, visit our website www.winpointonlineclasses.com. Support us for providing free online classes to everyone. Thanks for watching.